Kale to Walame, Stori istap, From Siwi, Mukisa Kale stood, Strongpela man sa holim giraun. Gardens are grew, life ikamap, Tasol raun. From Yapo, kamlo, Walame, famili, ikirap, names we carry now through the generations. Through the hard times he chose to move, to protect what he could. Waluweli, peaceful Waluweli, peaceful Waluweli, olgeta, saveh, displa, veli. Oh, Waluweli, ibungim wantaim, through blood and through time. Old Papa showing me how to stand as one. Oh, Waluweli, peaceful Waluweli, peaceful Waluweli. Our deep roots, our only valley. Waluweli, long warayalo. Kale's pain never lost. From pain came the change in everything. For love of the family, Akename Walame, Pakuleyalo, Eravena Moyame. A new place, a decision that covered the future. From that day, Kale walked away, left Mukisa behind. Sometimes pain shows the new road, a future of prosperity, love and hope. Through Pakename the path was open. Mange give him hana giraun. Now stood as one, connections all aligned. Displa, Stori, Tasol, him foundation.